Porch pirates striking again. This time, armed thugs raid an apartment claiming to be cops. An elderly woman gets mugged after a bank trip. And did that creeper really just steal a flamingo lawn ornament? From audacious break-in attempts caught on camera to suspicious prowlers lurking in the shadows, you'll be shocked by the brazen crimes plaguing neighborhoods across America. Lock your doors, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and comment. Manhattan Beach, California, where one lucky homeowner caught a porch pirate red-handed trying to break into their home. Their Ring doorbell motion sensor alerted them that a suspicious man was lingering outside, repeatedly ringing the doorbell and wiggling the doorknob. Thankfully, the homeowner was able to call the police and capture cell phone video of the would-be burglar getting arrested on their front stoop. Next up is a terrifying situation out of Houston, Texas. A man had his apartment raided by a group of armed men claiming to be police officers. Any situation involving home invasions and impersonating law enforcement is incredibly dangerous. Charlotte, North Carolina. A homeowner's security camera caught a suspicious man approaching their house and attempting to break in while they were inside. The residents confronted the would-be intruder, likely preventing a serious crime. Dallas porch pirates are in action. One female thief tried opening someone's front door in broad daylight before quickly walking away. Another woman stole a package off a porch, with a dog sitting on her back. A canine companion didn't even slow her down. Dallas, Texas, this guy right here is a real creeper. You gotta look out for these guys. Dallas, porch pirate who attempted to break into a house got confronted by the house owner through a doorbell speaker. The most disturbing footage is from Mesa, Arizona, where an 84-year-old woman was followed home from the bank and robbed of thousands in cash by thieves. Predators stalking and robbing an elderly woman for likely her life savings is sickening. A thief swipes a flamingo lawn decoration and potted plant off someone's porch in the dead of night. Not even lawn ornaments are safe these days. Then there's this bizarre Dallas clip of a woman hiding behind a car on someone's driveway. Was she trying to break in or just behaving erratically? It gives creepy prowler vibes. Porch pirates, armed home invaders, creepy prowlers. Those brazen criminals didn't know they were being watched. You've got to stay vigilant and report any suspicious prowlers. You never know when you'll encounter porch pirates or shady creepers looking for their next score. Which one of the crime scenes shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments. Stay safe and subscribe to Midnight Creeps for more shockingly audacious crime clips.